What did you think of the guest speaker?
Pretty fun.
I think it's a very interesting.
It was really,
Yes, please comment.
I was gonna say it's really interesting, and that it made us like it helped with reflection, like reflecting on how the world is and what we can do about it.
Yeah. Anybody else wants to say
It's
something?
always interesting to see what people have in mind, like what their priorities are. Like it does give you an idea of like where we're going as society, right?
Yeah. Anybody else wants to comment something?
It was nice. Yeah.
Okay. So today's gonna be relaxed, guys. Just go into Canvas and do the. That's the only thing we're gonna do. I'm not gonna see anything else, unless you want to clarify me something for the exam on next Wednesday, so we can do a little bit review of things. So we can. That's a little bit my idea of today. So you go to Canvas and you do the quiz of module 2, okay? Which is basically bones and tissues and what we have done the last 2 weeks, okay? So try to do that quiz. It has about 12 questions, I believe. Not too hard. I don't think it's too hard. Any question, you let me know and try to do it as good as you can so that you have an idea if you're well prepared or not for the exam next week, okay? So have a look here. You go into modules. I mean, for me, it looks always a little bit different, right? Here, quiz module 2. That's what you're going to do, okay? Because you know that we have a quiz after each module and we just finished module 2, okay? So it's perfect because then we have module 1 and module 2 for the first partial, okay? Module 2 is really long, so okay, everybody knows how to get there? So it's this one, quiz module 2. And at the meanwhile, think if you want to ask me something about the exam, if you have doubts about something of the course, it's your moment to ask me questions, because on Wednesday we already have the first partial, okay? But I don't know if you have questions anyway. If in case you have, you let me know.
Are the all the slides are published, right?
Yes, that's correct. Look in the modules, and then you will see a file, and there you can download the presentations. You have the content of Canvas. However, I do think that okay, if you use your own notes and you use my presentations, I think you have the most complete information because Canvas, what is pre-programmed in that in the course, it's not that complete. Okay, so that's why I give you the additional information. And if you study that well, you should have all the answers, okay? And you have to study it because I mean we see in the class like 80-90%, but there's always like little details that you have to get out of the course, you know. It's not if we don't mention something directly in the class that it means that you don't have to know it, okay? You have to know all the big lines of everything. So good luck with the quiz. I'll stay here at your disposal, and please start.
Is that the exam? 15 minutes is a long time.
I just monitor the quiz. So whenever you're doing a quiz, I moderate the quiz so I can see how you're doing. But it's not the
Ah,
quiz. But you cannot see.
okay.
I can only see that as a teacher.
Okay, cool.
So there's something weird with the quiz.
Sorry?
There's something weird here. In question 2, or at least my 2, the one that you have to match the tissue with the name.
Okay.
It says here, I don't know. Oh, it already loaded. Oh, I'm sorry. That one question wouldn't appear. I'm sorry. Now it loaded.
Now it does.
Nothing.
Okay, no problem.
No, I'm sorry. The mistake didn't finish. I just got confused. What happens is that it appears the number G, but in the answer sheet there's no number G.
Okay, I'll have a look. 1 second.
Yes.
Look at the following images and match each type of tissue with its name. Is that one?
Yes, the G that's pointing to the liver. There's no G in the answer sheet.
I think I have another question. I don't see it.
Do I share my screen?
Try to answer it as complete as possible, and I'll have a look when you finish it. Okay, don't worry about it.
Okay.
If it's a mistake in the design, then of course you get the benefit.
Okay.
Because I don't find that exact question. I have a similar one, but I don't know which one you're referring to, so it's a bit difficult for me because everybody gets a little bit different questions, so it's really hard to find which one you're exactly talking about.
Mr.
Okay.
In the question that says the blank is highly organized, made up of units called ostion, it doesn't appear anything, like just the question.
Which question are you?
I am in question number 10. The one that says the blank is highly organized, made up of units called ostion.
Okay, I'm gonna have a look at that to see if I can find. Now try to answer whatever you think, Gustavo, because I cannot find the question back. It comes from
well,
groups.
Oh,
and
like there is no answer.
there is no answer.
Yeah, like I can't click anything.
Okay, don't worry. Skip it and send me a message or write a comment there if you can in the after the quiz, and I'll have a look at it. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. The sudoriferous gland is a sweat gland, right?
No, it's a sebum gland. Sebum, sure, see.
It's a what?
It's a sebum gland. It's the white stuff from the skin.
Okay.
It's gonna be module 1 and module 2, right?
That's correct, Anna Sophia. Module 1 and 2.
Okay.